Here there are two computers. One is you write code in that computer. I name it as uploading computer or push computer. Here other is the pull computer. That means you are going to download the code from the cloud for that computer. Here in push computer you write some codes. Okay, you write some codes. After that you upload that code to the cloud. Cloud means Git servers. Git servers are servers. The code are in there. Then after that you are going to download that code to another computer or another folder in same computer. Firstly, you have to initialize the push computer. Push computer means this computer. This computer. Then for that you can type git init, git remote add origin, and you have to add HTTP path. I will show this in the practical session. Then you have to check out to the new branch. Okay. Here it is just like creating a branch. Then you are going to push code to the Git server. For that you can type git add full stop. Full stop means all files in the folder, in the parent folder. Then git commit, add a commit name, any name related to your coding. Then push git push to origin and a branch name. And this is the branch name which we created here. This is the branch name. We create a branch name. We create a branch here. We should use this here. Okay. Then we are going to initialize downloading computer. The other name is we are going to initialize our pull computer. For now, all the codes are in Git servers because we push previously all the codes. Then we git init as before. Then you have to git remote add origin, git file path, http path, https path. Then git fetch origin branch name. This branch name is we created previously in push section. We create a new branch and we push that branch to the server. Then we use that branch. Then we fetch origin that branch name. Then git checkout that branch name. Then you have those codes. Now we are going to start our practical session. Here I am going to make two folders. I consider those as computers. First one is pull computer. Second one is push computer. Here I am going to write things in push computer. I create a notepad. I name it as name. File, I name it as file. Then I will write in that this is codes this is code test test test. Then I save. Then I right mouse and get git bash here. You can download git from this link. I will provide this in the description section. Then you will receive just like this to the right mouse. Then I'm going to write those codes git init. I am going to initialize push compute git init. Then I go to the Gitlab. Okay, I create an account. Then gitlab.com. Here go to menu projects. These are projects. New project. Create blank project. I am going to write git tutorials. Git tutorial. I am going to add private project. Then I remove this tick initialize repository with a readme. Then I create project. Then I copy this link, it remote at origin and HTTPS link. I copy this link and I paste here it remote at origin. This is I get from right mouse and git bash here. Okay, git remote at origin. Then I set the path. Then git checkout b branch. I create the branch name as Hasita branch. I have done successfully initializing the push computer. Then I am going to add files to the Git server. For that, git add git commit m. I name it as initial commit. Then git push u origin. My branch name is Hasita branch. All are uploaded successfully. If I go to here and refresh, here there is one branch, that is Hasita branch. Inside that file is there. Then I close this, I go to computers, I go to pull compute. I am going to pull that file into this folder. For that, as previously, I right mouse this and go to git bash here. Then, just like that, I initialize git init git remote at origin. I go to this here clone. I copy this HTTPS. Then I paste here. Then I am going to write git fetch origin. My branch name is Hasita branch. Then git checkout as is a branch. Then I open the file. The code is there. Then I go to computers and push computer and open the file. I change the file. I add second code line and I save this. I'm going to show how to update the Git server and get how to get those updated code to the pull computer. Then I open git bash here. I can write git status. Then there is mentioned the modified file because I modify it. Then I add that git add all, git commit, modify file. Then the one change, one insertion. You can see what is happening. Then git push you origin as it's a branch. Okay, here also file. Then I go to computers and go to inside pull computers. Here the file is not updating yet. Then I right mouse and go git bash here. Then I add git pull origin as it's a branch. After this executed successfully, I close this and open the file. Then the second line is updated successfully. I hope you understand basics of Git. Please subscribe my channel.